Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Using advanced charting techniques. Awesome tips about advanced charting. How to choose the best chart elements. How to change Excel's chart sections. How to alter Excel's chart regions. How to change Excel chart titles. How to work with a chart legend. How to change the chart axis. How to change the category axes. Here's the best way to work with a data series. Changing the dialog box edit series in a snap. How to design Excel combination charts. How to show an Excel data table, and how to build an Excel chart template. Excel makes creating a basic chart easy. Select your data, choose a chart style, and you're finished. You may take a few extra seconds to select one of the pre-built chart styles and maybe even select one of the chart layouts, but if your goal is to create the most effective chart possible, you probably want to take advantage of the additional customization techniques available in Excel. Now, customizing a chart involves changing its appearances as well as possibly adding new elements to it. These changes can be purely cosmetic, such as changing colors, modifying line widths, or adding a shadow, or quite substantially, say changing the axis scale or adding a second value axis. Chart elements that you might add include such features as a data table, a trend line, or error bars. The preceding lesson introduced charting in Excel and described how to create basic charts. This section takes the topic to the next level. You'll learn how to customize your charts to the maximum so that they look exactly like you want. You will also pick some slick charting tricks that will make your charts even more impressive. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.